What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to avoid repayment penalties on Fundbox. Late fees and penalties can eat into your cash flow. In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid Fundbox repayment penalties so that you can keep your costs low and your credit high. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is to understand your repayment terms. Now, repayments are either weekly or monthly, depending of course on your plan. Auto debit is used, so make sure that you know the exact repayment schedule listed in your dashboard. Next, keep your bank account funded. Fundbox pulls payment from your linked account, so you want to ensure that there's sufficient funds at least one day before they schedule debit. Next is to set up alerts. Use Fundbox notifications or calendar reminders. You can even automate alerts using tools like Google Calendar or banking apps. Next, communicate early if there's a problem. Now, if you expect to miss a payment, you want to contact Fundbox support in advance. They might offer a grace period or reschedule options in certain cases. Next, avoid manual draws if funds are tight. Now, be sure not to draw new funds unless you're sure that you can meet the repayments. Plan draws around incoming revenues or stable income windows. Consider synchronizing your repayment days with your business income cycle. That way, payments always align with your strongest cash flow days. Avoiding penalties is all about timing, planning, and of course, communication. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.